Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Deputy Chief Minister launches Swachhta Hi Seva campaign 2024. Majai Road in Sora declared beyond repair. Lower Mankara Secondary School celebrates students' football achievement. And KSU raises concerns over Assam's road construction in Lakhi. And now the news in detail. On September 17th, Deputy Chief Minister Basnya Bhalang Dhar launched the Swachhta Hi Seva SHS campaign 2024 at SRGT Polo Ground. This initiative, part of the Government of India's broader effort, aims to enhance cleanliness in villages across Meghalaya's blocks and districts. During the launch, Dhar commended Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for prioritizing sanitation initiatives. He emphasized the necessity of collective efforts among citizens, village leaders and government authorities to foster a cleaner environment in both rural and urban areas. Dhar announced plans to convene with district deputy commissioners to address cleanliness issues, including the establishment of garbage disposal sites in villages. He encouraged coordination between DCs, block development officers and village headmen to tackle pollution and promote sanitation throughout Meghalaya, ensuring a cleaner and healthier state for all residents.
Along the river, not to Haju upon clean program in this program. Haju Aporo, we provide you kind of prepared estimate on a chain fencing work in Jata, who can not keep back in the breaking the Goa. Then we put a sort of a smart on the toilet. Come on, toilet. Peit kasi nung pudong nakikita sa kabampak dan panjang. Tingnan pudong nakikita panjang at sumayo at sepuluh. Hari mentah pindah. Ukur kakul jongan di batas asen dulu. Hilet tak oleh naik nasur kita saudara. Dengan. Kita. Ada yang persoalan dengan awal. Berapa asen sistem. Nailan gas mati. Puasa nanti kita sebab, yang kita kena hasil terlepas, kam terlepas, ngahari itu. Mindset. Jauh kita makan kita businessman itu. Dan kita orang intelligent leaders. Kita leaders kita. Apapun yang orang korban kena hasil terlepas, itu saya suruh. And we should be please, minha belum hakkat kita pada speed lagi. Kaji kau ini negara ini nak tak bakal within 5 years. I know that Meghalaya should be one of the top state tourism destinations in the whole country. But kalau seorang ni itu lebih, masih Mumbai boleh berabor, dan kamu dah boleh berpuluh. Dan kawan kesini ni. Haju, mari bawa es krim, porter naik di benda. Lalu kita kerja. Coba dia kembali ke soal foto. Kamu dia waktu disepakati foto kan. Anak hotel apa lagi? Burung di headman dan di rumah tentu. Kibaran hamban lagi.
During an inspection on September 17th, officials found the 1.8 kilometer road at Majai under Himasora damaged beyond repair. Resident Wellborn Benod emphasized the urgent need for repairs, warning that continued neglect will lead to further deterioration. Speaking at the Shillong Press Club, he attributed the road's condition to the overloading of vehicles from Maushun, which has taken a toll on the infrastructure. Benod urged authorities to prioritize the road's restoration to prevent further damage and ensure safe travel for local residents.
Biniak ha, lalangin pikir ha, kati surok kaba penhara kai masora kala banjat rakai yang sisi. Dikumta bankang ma, ya kani ka jing jot jol surok ni hapan check na nuna. We bridge ia kajingkit alat pun jadi prop. Di hadir kata nilai kepo with bridge ban Peit ban ongi bagi di ban kenia kita khat aton nama khat aton kembali ke ba ni pham ngi ba kenia khat aton Henry kadi ke ba don tapo adan di siru ba kadi banyak khat aton ladaki phai syaka salam kadiru kebaka ni ka soka kejungi ka di salam khat aton mendang khat lai khat saw khat santon mendang ko mata kidan baik lagi khat aton cerita gila bias bahan ni kita ngi ba kasurok tawon point kilometer ka bahap ban sna ban pen bahada ban maramat data himasaka kala ban ne lada ngila ban check bagi kadi kimdei banyak palat ya ka khat aton di hendrai hapdeng jong jing let pikir jogi hanke ngila yui penban ya kajing ile persa jom activity exporter hanke kapok majai kim Shimla penyai na with bridge bat kunta nidan ya ki clippings nidan ya ki dance bangin i fish pit ndang ada pakai di hadir bang ilai kajing ile persa kajongki nila kiu penyakendu ya Astan Commissioner Jog Transport bat ujor HKBD bat kajing bu ada CCTV HKBD bat ban display ya ketika jingkau sabah namar ba nila pani ida masuk namar ba pinken mau
On September 17th, Lower Mangkara Secondary School in Risiang, West Khasi Hills held a meeting to congratulate student Donald Murthong on his selection to train at Minerva Football Academy in Punjab. Attendees included the Secretary of Risiang Village, FKJGP Education Secretary Panshai Kharbani, teachers and fellow students. Headmaster Ba Rinaldo Yauren and Kharbani commended Donald for his achievement and encouraged all students to pursue their athletic talents, highlighting the importance of sports like cricket, badminton, boxing and wrestling. They urged students to view Donald as an inspiration, emphasizing that hard work can lead to success in various fields of sports and enrich their lives.
Masih pun ay nguru yo play try kan rat ubala ay ngi galak kalinti banginla banilum lang kruy hakane ka jaka hagijing sya pada ngindon gani ka program ngatrai baro na pleng jong pigi na school kila don apo kamera kelas opinya sengap lagi jong kini hikai ik bagi de banle re kane ru kade ka sibenta bapin sengap lang ya ke ba na kaliang jong ki noi kai ki ai jimut ani ki pasyat na kamta jong pi sehingga semua pun ai kumlei ro ya ki noi kai baro mo ki balai don nadu primary si noi kai standard noi kai jong ka apar bat secondary ki ba don ngani ka formentan marang raja kita ngi mat pakala pun ba sehingga semua ban ai kumlei ki we pa iwei ba ki lalong ki blak kloi ban patpor ngani ka step pemerintah ni ya kendu nomor ba Nimyo asyo panyui hagini ki suppose nam banwan na kamta jongi wei para kena kelas lani kena school jongpi ta ide mano bonal ka bangi dei banle le se ban kublek ti nimyo asyo panyui nimyo asyo ngai jinggan ma ba jongpi wei.
On September 17th, 2024, members of the Khasi Students Union KSU in West Khasi Hills lodged a complaint with the Deputy Commissioner regarding the Assam government's plan to forcibly construct roads in the border villages of Langpi. In response, district authorities led by ADC by M.A. Chalam conducted an inspection of the area. A meeting was held at Nongma village, attended by the officer in charge of the Langpi police outpost and leaders from Khasi Students Union, KSU, as well as local village headmen from 5 affected villages, including Nongma and Nongmauleng. The local leaders expressed concerns over harassment from Assam government patrols. Chalam assured the community that the visit aimed to maintain peace and order as well as to investigate Assam's actions without prior notification. He pledged to communicate with the Kamrup district authorities in Assam to address the situation effectively.
Don harta gazaka baik tu don kila ayo an ai dengi ke statement bangin sotho hagano burkom bagiwan kai ga bangin sotho sai kalongba ke jingwan jepki ke de bakat san don gono bajing pentit yangi kibadan apa nong stone lani yaki sodas nong hangni hagani kasnong nong maru but ngasotho ba kung ginong song hidon hi ka jing so skir la si gadon jing so thut bagi wan kumta khamda pentit khamda so thu ka ai ka daw bagi wan ka jing wan jong hi hane ka pol ka dei ban ya pulong ya inquiry ka ai ka rukom bagi wan balai ki wan ngin sa wat pat na koi baki jaka la si min pentit ru cha DC jong Kamrup ka ba ka dei masnda ban ngi.
On September 16th, the All Jaintia Master Roll Workers Union, in collaboration with the Labour Department, Skill Meghalaya and the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, conducted an awareness program in Minting, West Jaintia Hills district. The initiative aimed to educate local master roll workers on the importance of training and support available to them. The meeting was chaired by Ba Jerry Suting and featured key speakers including Ba Lambor Suchen, Skill Development Officer, and Ajoy Lanong, Deputy Director of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Lanong highlighted that over 9,300 individuals in Meghalaya are living with HIV/AIDS, emphasizing the need for awareness regarding its transmission. Baraplang Soklet Labour Inspector discussed the Meghalaya Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board, urging workers to join for access to benefits such as scholarships for children and pensions for elderly members. Lambor Suchen introduced various skill training courses offered by the government, encouraging youth to enhance their skills. Bakro El Pariat, advisor of the union, praised Skill Meghalaya graduates as role models, advocating for certification and membership in the Labour Department to improve employment opportunities.
Lakum no shi haja pengka kin hapan ai kum ka tax lakum ka khajna sha ka sarkar mon yong 1% ses te ka jishna ka de silak habai no 1% ka mot shi haja kata ka pisa shi haja pengka ka lek sha ka we ka board ka welfare board ba kata ka welfare board ka bare ban pai ya ka bha kam ya jong nong trai tala mission mo borobor ki kontraktor e habat yo e kam na sarkar kalau aku pan po department ya terpisah mo 1%. Larang ki yo kam bersyukur mot silap neka lawan no anak taka dor pada tak silap taka kam ni sarkar mo yo sekala kam ni sarkar kalaj sa kata ka welfare board ka bari ban pai ya ka bha kam yan jong kita ginong tribala mystery nomor ya kata ka kam ka ba hapsi wa khajana ka kam snajishna construction work no ba snajishna te jintai te kata ka pisah kalaj nak kata ka welfare board kapan pai ya kapha kamian jong binong tray bela mystery take office chokne ka Meghalaya building and other construction welfare board karon ha Shillong mo ekane welfare board ki ka Meghalaya building and other construction workers welfare board karon ha Shillong te hangni haja di health ka ha ko ka jipai chokle department hangni haja di health ni pai mani na district lagor office ekane welfare board to kumago wi minne kane kadai kabel verbot ko pai ka pha kamiat jong kinong trai bela mystery la ya sutu mo mde kinong ya kali mde kinong sajan
ndai kinong trai belayan ndai mo tang ya kinong trai bela misteri tetor kinong trai bela misteri mentakin hak ban register ila de hak ni gubal sebon bani wajingan mo hak register suwa lara ajarak umur hak tip am kalau sarkan ajarak no hak register suwa ila de hak ni gubal sebon ti ke bakumno ki misteri bela ban register ila de gubal sebon ke bening kong ke Jakarta di mo ke Jakarta jong nong trai bela misteri ubah ke kerta kadi hapo kapra basam pokrasnam mo kapra sam pokrasnam te unu misteri pada hak tereng kata kerta ula ban.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.